This is a beautiful 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. Really an engineering triumph for a Ford Motor Company, I would say. That little container there in the trunk area is the luggage area. When the top was down, when that folding top was down, that's all the room you had for luggage. There's the vinyl slip covers for the seat covers for the interior. Very typical of the time. I love the blue and white combination and the gold inlay there in the side trim. 312 cubic inch engine, Thunderbird V8. I love the front end of this car. It's very clean looking, especially in this color combination. Of course, a front folding hood, which was typical of Ford at the time. Very clean engine compartment. Wide white walls and full wheel covers. Paint is gorgeous. Fender skirts, and you notice the little door there for the intake for the gas tank. That was necessary to place it there because of all the room that they needed for that folded top. Gas tank had to be relocated to that area above the rear wheels. And there's the Continental tire there in the back.